guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here today to give you some great news, very exciting. I was looking forward to telling you guys about this. I've talked about it for a really long time. I had no idea it was going to take me so long. So I want to start by saying I hope you subscribe to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe, press like, and feel free to contact me if you need any supplies, have any questions at lc@hyaluron-kween with a k.com. And I'm here to announce the release of my Hyaluron guide. My information guide is ready, finally. It's taken me almost 2 years and I've worked long and hard. This is for you, all the videos and all the information I've gotten together throughout the years, all the questions you've written, all the videos I've done, everything I can think of. I tried to get into this book. It's for the practitioners, those of you who like to do things on your own, those of you who have taken the course and feel like you haven't gotten enough from it. It's for you who have taken the course and forgot things, or many people write to me saying that they take the course and they're trying to reach the people afterwards because they have questions and they can't contact them. And there's just a lot of questions that are left unanswered many times in the courses as well. And they're left hanging, and this is what the information guide's there for. It is Hyaluron pen device A to Z. The information that you're going to find in the guide is all about the Hyaluron device. It talks about the function, it talks about the products that are in it, it talks about consulting your client, it talks about issues that might arise, it talks about side effects, it talks about things you shouldn't do, it talks about hygiene, your work environment. It has questions and answers. It talks about everything I could have thought of to put in there. It's taken me a lot longer than I could have ever imagined to write for you, and that's because I wanted all the information that I could possibly put together, and I thought it would take a lot quicker to put together, but that's okay because I wanted it to be knowledgeable. I wanted it to be well put together and have as many questions answered as possible in the guide. I didn't want to leave anything out, so I did work long and hard on it, and I hope that I covered as many things as possible. It has face mapping in there, it has techniques, and it's got a lot of information on different types of things, all involving the Hyaluron pen. So a lot of you who have taken the course or haven't taken the course and just watched videos, who have had questions, who want to go back on things, it's all in the book. It's A to Z. A lot of people were looking forward to the book, and I'm so happy that it's available finally. Everyone knows who's followed me already that I have my own product line. You can reach me at any time if you have any questions, need supplies or products. Contact me by email at lc@hyaluron-kween with a k.com. The whole point of the book is just to help you become more confident while you're using the device. A lot of people contact me and they say they have taken the course and they just don't have the confidence. They don't feel secure enough to use it, even though they've taken the course or watched the videos. It's just not enough. So I made this guide for you to just go back on, check it out, read it. Anyone who follows me, you could always feel free to reach me if you have questions. I'm always there for you. Come connect with me on Facebook, on Instagram. You can message me, you can email me. I'm always there, I'm always available online. I give a lot of support. I'm there for my followers. You guys have supported my business right from the start, and I appreciate that. You've had nothing but kind words to say. My business has grown thanks to you all. I thank you all very much. You've been so kind. You've encouraged me and to keep going and keep writing, and everything I've said and talked about in my videos is in the books. I've put as much information together as possible, and I hope you enjoy it. So if you are interested in having a copy, I have available in PDF files online. And I also have available printed copies that I can send you as well. If you're the type to like a book in hand, I also have printed copies available as well. And hopefully when the whole pandemic is over and I'm able to travel, I'll be able to come and see some of you. I'll be able to come and give you some on-hand experience and some personal training. I'd love to meet you. I do have a little bit of redness on my cheeks, and that's because the night before last I did do myself a treatment. I videoed it, so that is a video that will be coming out soon. It was actually to treat my jowls and the marionette lines, which I will talk about in the information guide. The marionette area is a very special area to be treated. The tear true, marionette, and jowls is a very special area and is often treated by just treating the cheek. So in the video it's spoken about in my next video, and also in the information guide it's spoken about, because filling the cheek area will bring out a lot of volume there, so it treats the under eye and it treats the jowl area and it also treats the marionette line. So you can have like 3 treatments in one. Face mapping is an important part of your learning process as well. Everybody's different, so when people write to me asking me for specific face maps, especially when you're taking courses and you're taking specific training, it's really important to know that everybody has different faces, and a specific map for everyone is not suitable. You have to really understand the function of the pen, understand the product you're working with, and people's face shape. Appreciate that we all look differently, that we all have expressions, and that's what makes us who we are and look different. We are not carbon copies, and that's what makes us unique. So it's really important that you just don't follow a one map rule when it comes to filling and using the Hyaluron device. And it's also really important for those of you who will be practicing on others and also doing it on yourself as well, that you're confident and encouraged to use it properly, whether you've been trained and certified or if you've just learned on your own through reading on the internet, watching videos, whatever it is. This information guide will help you. Like I said, you can always go back and refresh your mind, refresh your memory. It's great to just look back and maybe just confirm something you weren't sure about. There's a lot of misconceptions out there. There's so many training courses out there with a lot of different ideas of what's right and wrong with the Hyaluron device. Different people write to me every day and I see a lot of wrong advice, things that can really cause migration in the skin, can cause the filler to move into other parts of the face by using the wrong product. I've seen people damage skin tissues by injecting wrong amounts into the face. And I've seen people who have caused infections on themselves because they've reused ampoules, or afterwards, the aftercare is very important as well. So all these little things that you need to know, it's all in the information guide. It's everything I can think of all in one. So if you like my videos, you're gonna love the book because it's all the videos and more put into one. Like I said, it took me almost 2 years to make. I put a lot of time and effort put into this, and it's all for you. I want to stop the bad reputation of the Hyaluron pen. There's a lot of people out there saying bad things about it, trying to make a bad reputation. We have to remember there's laws out there that in certain countries, just like Canada where I am, they're not allowing people to practice with the Hyaluron pen, and that is because there was people out there who were misusing the pen, who were misinformed, or who have taken it upon themselves and just started using it without knowing what they were doing, and they damaged themselves or someone else, which caused them to ban the product and the device. So it's really unfortunate that that happened, but we want to stop that and not have it happen in other countries, to have it banned for you guys, because it is an amazing device and it does beautiful things to our skin and it's great. It's a lot more affordable for people. It's a lot more practical for us who like to do things ourselves. That's how I actually originally got into it, because I wanted to do it myself. I was into fillers and I just love this type of thing, so I wanted to get into it, and that's how I discovered the Hyaluron device to begin with. So this is all stuff that's out there, and people are really doing silly things with it and hurting themselves and causing disasters. And the whole point of me making this guide is to try and help prevent any of that from happening, and that's where my videos came up from the beginning, was also for that. So I want to help as much as I can. In no way, shape, or form does my guide certify you or will it give you any kind of license to perform the service to anybody? This is really just an information guide. It is a book to keep on hand. Whether you've had your training or not, whether you're certified or not, it is an information guide. It is from my personal experience, and I have just taken all my experiences and my knowledge, and I have taken my time and I've put it all together for you. So if you're interested, reach out to me. Feel free to contact me by email anytime at lc@hyaluron-kween.com. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Take care and stay safe. Bye everyone.